Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. So I made a video. I made a look on TikTok live like last week. I think that was on Wednesday, and he had like this very nice blue, but I used turquoise blue on my eyes. So I promised to leave the video on here, so I'm just going to go straight to do that. But before then, I already did all this to my face on my live. This was supposed to be like an everyday makeup look to run errands, go to work, to school, and all that. So that's not why we're here. So I'm just not going to like take off everything. I'm just going to make do with what I have and show you guys how to achieve the blue eye look. So just keep on watching. I'll be using this from NYX CoverGirl in Golden Amber, okay? I already have my eyeliner on, so I won't be doing too much. I don't want to take that off and start putting it back.
Don't forget your promise when the money comes. Don't say I'm not your standard anymore. I go swear for you, baby, I like that life. Promise you.
So this is the shade I'm using. This palette is the Morphe palette, Gesture. So this is the shade, it's the turquoise blue. This is the palette I'm using. So I'll just pack that shade on there. And when you're applying a powder shadow, you want to use a rounded brush, like a blending brush, okay? You don't want to use a flat brush. That is for shadow with glitters or shimmers, okay? I just pack this on there by tapping first of all, like swirl it over. Do the same thing over and over until the color I have on there is okay for me. Now this is a very beginner friendly procedure. If you're the type who is not very conversant with eyeshadow application, this would work very well for you. You just use a single color and then you pack it on there, you know. But I already did my crease before, so I didn't go back in to do that again. But when I'm done, I'll still use a brown shade to further define my crease area, if that makes sense. Just keep watching anyway. So I'll now go back and use this brown shade. The shade is called No Beans. Just want to apply that lightly. This is to help me define my crease area. And to further blend in the blue. So you see now that looks very much together. Okay. There. But it was more like I applied a little concealer. I'll confirm that right away, okay? So I'm using this pink right there, and it is called Skip. Apply that there. Area. That was how it went. Do you see the glow? Do you see the glow? Okay, and then I popped on some lashes, which I'm going in with this lash. And I did my brows very well in that video too. So was that helpful? Did you learn anything? It is very beginner friendly. All you need to do is just do your skin work, pop some concealer if you don't have like eyeshadow base or eyeshadow primer on your eyes, and then pack that color on there and then blend very well with a shade a little bit darker, maybe something like red, or you know, something like brown, any color you would typically use for your crease area. Just use it to blend the harsh lines around between the blue and the top of your eyelid close to your brow bone. And don't take it upwards too much, because one thing about colored shadows, like very bright colored shadows, they tend to look very funny really quickly. So be careful not to take the blue so high up. The brown, yes, maybe, but not the blue. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.